In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make gradient text in Canva Typegradient tutorial. If you've ever wanted your text to pop with a smooth, colorful gradient, Canva makes it simple using a built-in app called Typegradient. I'll walk you through the process from opening the tool to placing that polished gradient text into your design. Start by opening your design in the Canva editor. On the left sidebar, look for the Apps section. This is where Canva keeps extra tools that extend what you can do. Click Apps, then use the search bar to find Typegradient. Select it to open the app panel. Typegradient is purpose-built for gradient lettering, so it saves you the hassle of layering shapes or using workarounds. In the Typegradient editor, enter the exact text you want to style. Keep in mind that what you type here is what will be generated, so double-check spacing and capitalization. Shorter phrases and headings tend to show off gradients best, but it works for longer text too. Now customize the look. Choose a font from the available options to match your design's vibe. Bold fonts show gradients more clearly, while lighter fonts give a softer effect. Next, click the color bar to choose a preset gradient or build your own. You can add and adjust color stops, up to 10 colors. Drag stops to control where each color transitions. For best results, stick to 2 to 4 colors with good contrast, or use shades from your brand palette for a cohesive feel. Use the handles in the preview to adjust the gradient direction. Try horizontal for long words, vertical for tall compositions, or a diagonal for a dynamic look. Rotate and slide the gradient until the colors flow in a way that feels balanced and readable. When you're happy, click Add to Design. Your gradient text will appear on your canvas as an image. That means it looks exactly the way you designed it, but it isn't editable like normal text. You can resize, move, or rotate it just like any other image element. If you need to change the wording, font, or gradient colors later, return to the Typegradient app, make your edits, and add the updated version to your design. That's it. Thanks for watching.